Vinyl inflatables aren't cheap, which means that in order for your business to stay strong, your inventory of inflatables needs to last. Whether you rent bounce houses or operate your own fleet of attractions, fixing rips and punctures is part of being in business. But you don't want to repair them twice. That's why when it's time for a patch, pros reach for HH-66 vinyl cement. Here's how the world's strongest vinyl adhesive gets inflatables back to work. HH-66 bonds quickly, and it remains strong and flexible even in extreme weather. It's not made for nylon or polyethylene inflatables, like some of the low-end retail playsets. HH-66 bonds to vinyl. If you're about to patch a bounce house, amusement inflatable, or aquatic inflatable made of flexible PVC or vinyl fabric, there's no better way to get the job done. Here's how. The first step is prep. For safety, make sure to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated space. Lay your inflatable flat if possible. Cut a patch that covers your rip with about 2 inches of room on each side. And round the corners so they won't catch. Clean both your patch and the torn area of your inflatable with alcohol or a compatible solvent for good adhesion. Next, step 2. Apply. Spread HH-66 vinyl cement on both your patch and your inflatable. We recommend about 1 ounce of glue for every square foot you'll be patching. You'll want full coverage, but it doesn't have to be thick. After you've spread the adhesive, let things sit for around 2 minutes so the glue can go from smooth to tacky. Now attach your patch. Apply firm pressure on every part of the patch, or press evenly with a roller if you've got one. You can use your rag and thinner to clean any excess HH-66, which dries clear, but will yellow over time when exposed to direct sunlight. The patch repair should be dry in about an hour, but HH-66 won't reach full strength for around 24 hours. At that point, you'll have a bond that's flexible, weatherproof, and stronger than your vinyl inflatable itself. And that's how 5 minutes with the right glue gets your commercial inflatable back to work. And gives you plenty of peace of mind that you'll always be equipped to handle any inflatable repair quickly and effectively.